Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding absolute advantage is fast. We compare labor inputs for two nations to see who produces goods more efficiently today. First, identify that this is an input-based problem because the table shows the number of workers required. In these cases, the nation using fewer resources holds the absolute advantage here. Look at the bolts column specifically. Nation L only needs 5 workers while Nation W needs 10. Since 5 is less than 10, Nation L is clearly more efficient at production. Nation L has the absolute advantage for bolts. This matches option B. We have found our correct answer choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by watching signs. Always trust the given data and check steps.